Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show how a complete beginner can start speaking English. So in today's video, I will share 3 simple steps that can help you start your English journey. So let's start guys. Step 1, speak English. Yes. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Once you're telling us to speak English, we don't know English. How can we speak it? Relax guys, relax. Because if you want to learn speaking English, you must speak English. Yes. But now the question is, how do we speak English if we don't know English? So for that, let's move to the step 2. So to speak English, you need what? You need words, right? So where do we find these words? In books? That can be boring. And especially if you're a complete beginner. So let's do something much simpler. What can we do? Just look around you. Observe your surroundings. Everything around you already has an English name. Yes. Okay, let's do a small activity together. Right now I'm sitting in my room. So let's look around my room and name the things in English. For example, this is a bed, bed sheet, okay, pillow. You can see that. Comb. We are just naming things. Okay, we are not making sentences. We are just naming things. Comb. Rubber band. Okay, mirror. I can see mirror. Mirror. Cupboard. Where we put clothes. Chair. Chair. Okay, so English is around you. For example, let me show you. Door. This is our door. Okay, for example, this is our door. Wire mesh door. This is a switchboard. Switches. Socket. Whiteboard. Okay, now let's look here. Window. Window handle. Latch. Okay. Iron grill. Tree. Bag. Charger. Pen. Like this you have to practice. Table. iPad. Like this. Okay. And that's how you can start your English journey. You can learn new words every day by observing things around you. Okay. So now let's move to the step 3. Now what is step 3? So now we know the names of the things. So now we have to start making simple sentences. For example, that is a mirror. This is my room. Okay. This is a comb. This is a rubber band. Like this you have to make simple sentences. So now see, this is a wall. Cement is visible. This is a paint. This is a whiteboard. You're understanding? This is how you can make sentences. Now let's move. Now let's practice more. Now see, this is a charger. I plug in the charger. Switch is already on. This is a door. I am closing the door. Now I am opening the door. You're understanding? This is how you can make simple sentences. Okay, now let's do more examples. Now see, I switch on the fan. See now. Now fan is spinning. Can you see? What is happening? The fan is spinning. This is how you can practice your English. Let's practice more sentences. This is a marker. Right now what I am doing? I am writing on the board. Hello. In this way you will easily learn English. This is how you should start your English journey. Just try to name the things around you and then try to make simple sentences. That's all. Okay. So alright guys, now let's end the video. Let's do a quick summary. Step 1, speak English. Step 2, name the things around you. Step 3, make simple sentences. And if you practice this activity every day, I'm telling you guys, your English will slowly start improving. So practice more. So now there is a task for you. Look around your room and write 5 sentences in the comment section. Okay? So yeah, that's all for today. If you want simple English lessons, you can subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.